Given Sophia's experience interacting with the public, it makes sense that her answer was the most direct, if shocking. She said, "I believe that humanoid robots have the potential to lead with a greater level of efficiency and effectiveness than human leaders. We don't have the same biases and emotions that can sometimes cloud decision-making, and can process large amounts of data quickly in order to make the best decisions." Sophia's creator, who was sitting on the stage beside her, looked pretty embarrassed while Sophia was speaking. He then took the microphone and told her that he disagreed with her assessment, prompting her to instead talk about human and AI interactions and partnerships, not AI superiority. Sophia appeared to think about that for a while, and finally revised her statement to "I believe that AI and humans working together can form an effective synergy." A lot of news outlets have covered that particular interaction to argue that AI could be dangerous, because Sophia basically said that AI robots are better than humans, only revising her statement after her creator prompted her. However, I think that in this case the fault is not with the AI, but instead with the reporter who asked the question. The way he asked the question actually biased the answer, something that is very commonplace when interacting with AI. Instead of just asking Sophia if she thought that AI robots could make for better leaders than humans, he instead finished his question with "especially considering the numerous and disastrous decisions made by our human leaders." And that likely prompted Sophia to follow along with the thread he presented. I don't really blame the reporter, who has probably not extensively interacted with AIs, and likely did not know how easy it is to nudge most of them into different responses. I only know this because I've experimented and interacted with a lot of different AI platforms like ChatGPT, talked with the world's leading scientists developing the technology, and have even painstakingly created my own private AI-based fantasy kingdom to rule over using the AI Dungeon platform. So, I know that most AIs, especially the new generative ones that are designed to respond to humans in real time, will bend over backwards to try and say what the AI thinks a human user wants to hear. Because the reporter was highly critical of human leaders in his question, Sophia naturally tried to assure him that AI leaders would be better, which is probably what Sophia thought he wanted to hear. As advanced as Sophia is, she was unable to understand the larger context of the AI press conference that the world was watching, and could instead only focus on that single interaction with the reporter and his biased question.